Yeah, same makeup look, different video. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see what is in my Ipsy bag in my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of September. Yay! I am super stoked to just dive on in and see what I got for this month. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. So, at the time of this video going up, I will be on vacation in the Outer Banks. Nags Head, Outer Banks, North Carolina. I am super excited for it. As you see, I have the same makeup, the same shirt on as Tuesday's video because I pre-filmed. Smart. So yeah, we got the Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Plus in for the month of September, and I'm just ready to see what I got this month. So let's go ahead and start with the regular Ipsy bag. Okay, this is the bag for the month of September. It is a canvas bag and it has the galaxy and the constellations going on. Super pretty. I really do like this crystal zipper they put on here. That is a nice little touch. And of course, it's not printed on the other side. I don't know what it is about. I got a crater right there. Oh, that's cute. I don't know what it is with Ipsy not printing on both sides of the bag. I don't know. So let's see what is in this bad boy. Where's the card? Okay. This month's theme is Find Your Light. September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? That's what the card looks like. And then on the back, it talks about October is bringing changes to Ipsy. They are launching their Glam Bag Ultimate, which is, I do believe they said it's 12 full-size products for $50 a month. Also, you're able to purchase add-ons each month, but they've been doing that for the past couple months with the add-ons. And the price of the Glam bag is actually going to go up from $10 to $12. And I'll talk about that a little later. So let's just go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, the first thing I have is from IBY Beauty. It is the Carry On Highlighter in Private Jet. If this is the shade that's on the box, I know I'm not going to like it because it's going to be too dark for me. Oh yeah, I think this is going to be a little bit too dark for my skin tone. It's very pretty. It looks like a rose gold type of highlighter, but it does look really dark. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm actually just going to stash it in the giveaway box for a future giveaway. The box is broken. What the F? All right, next item. I have a tag. It is from Skin Iceland, Solutions for Stressed Skin. It is the Icelandic Youth Serum with red algae. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty-free or not. I am going to have to double check. On the tags it says Icelandic Youth Serums Icelandic Youth Serum's hero ingredient is red algae. I am not going to say what that word is. It says it is harvested from Icelandic microalgae using 100% renewable geothermal energy. It's one of the most potent antioxidants on the planet, 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C, and boasts an anti-inflammatory protection against free radical damage and hyperpigmentation. It also dramatically boosts moisture levels and suppleness. Okay, yeah, I really have to check to see if this brand is cruelty-free. I'll pop it at the bottom of the screen if it is or not. I really hope they are because I am all about stuff for my hyperpigmentation. All right, next item. All right, we have a Mineral Sun Silk Cream Sunscreen from Kula. I do know that this brand is cruelty-free. It says, this multitasking modern masterpiece does it all. Non-nano zinc oxide provides broad spectrum UVA/UVB protection, while our plant-derived full spectrum 360 complex helps mitigate the effects of today's modern world skin aggressors. I can't read. High energy visible light, which includes blue light emitted from digital devices, IR, infrared, and pollution. Pretty cool. I actually might be taking this to Nag's Head with me, because I might venture out on the beach. I know. Who am I? Next item. Oh, cool. It is from Smashbox. It is the Studio Skin 24-Hour Hydrating Foundation. And this is in the shade 0.3. I don't know what specific undertone this is, so I am going to have to check that out to make sure it is a neutral undertone, because I do have neutral undertones going on, even though I do have redness. All right, and the last item that I have is not coming out of the package because it is taped there. Okay, it is from Ofra, and I guess it's in collaboration with Madison Miller, and it is a blush called All I Need Is Love. That is a pretty peach blush. I am all for this. I am going to swatch it. Is there a piece of tape on this thing? No. Ooh, it's super soft. I've never used Ofra blushes before. Ooh, that is super pretty. Ooh, I cannot wait to use that. Y'all know I love me some peach blushes. All right, I'm going to clean all this up, and now we're going to see what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus box. Alrighty, now it's time to see what Ipsy gave me in my Glam Plus box. I am super excited for this. Let's see here, where's the card? Okay, here's the card. It's the same as before. With the first one, it has the products on the inside. Not going to look at that. All right, first item. Okay, it is the Paris Hilton Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Gel. I have not heard much about this as far as if it works. I mean, I knew she was coming out with a skincare brand, but I haven't heard much as far as how it is. So I am going to have to look it up to see if I want to keep it or not, look at the reviews. I may keep it anyways, because you can never have too many cleansing gels, because, you know, you're supposed to wash your face every day and go through cleansing gels like crazy. Okay, anyways. It says, an essential 2-in-1 first step cleanser to jumpstart your age delay regimen. Formulated with ingredients like caviar lime that deliver vitamins, minerals, and amino acids and antioxidants to the skin. Pro DNA dual action cleansing gel gently lifts away dirt, impurities, and makeup while maintaining the skin's natural moisture balance. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check this out. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, cool. From Ciate London, we have the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. All right. I really do like Ciate London. They really do have a lot of great products. Ooh, I like this packaging. It is super, super cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's super cute. There's the Ciate London. It has like little stars. This is Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I don't know what happened to me. I mean, what happened to your girl? Before, I used to be all about pressed powders, just pressed powders, but now I've been liking loose powders lately. It says on here, apply generously to the areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Y'all know I don't bake, so I'll use it more for setting my makeup. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess for a crease-free, soft focus finish. Lightly dust oil-prone areas using a large fluffy brush for a soft touch matte finish. pretty cool. What's next? Oh, okay. It's from Ofra, in collaboration with Madison Miller. It is the Midi Palette Miller Squad. It says on here, the squad is all here. Your cheeks will have a new BFF with this face palette, which includes 2 glistening highlights that will send you into shook status, a perfect soft pink blush. Take your glow bestie to go with a slim, travel-friendly compact with a mirror. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, I like this packaging. This packaging is really, really nice. Nice and sleek. Ooh, oh, my pan's coming out. That's not good. Press that back in there. That's actually not too bad of a pink. It's not as pink. What's going on up here? It's not as pink as I thought it was going to be. It's kind of like the color that I'm wearing today, which is the Gerard Cosmetics First Class Blush in the Honeymoon palette. So let's swatch these. Ooh, I love Ofra highlighters. Ofra's Pillow Talk is one of my favorite highlighters. That's what they look like. Ooh, these are really pretty. Ooh, super, super pretty. I actually like these. This might be a little bit too dark on my skin because Ofra highlighters tend to be really intense. So I'm going to have to see what it looks like on my skin. And if it's a little too dark, I might just use it on my eyes. But that is a really, really pretty face palette. I really do like that. Next up, we have a anti-matter lipstick from Ilamsqua. Let's hold it right. I do like this brand. I got 2 of their lip pencils and they are absolutely amazing. Sometimes I will just take the lip pencil, line my lips, fill it in, and just put a gloss on top of it and be wham bam thank me, I'm done for the day. It says, long-lasting color intense lipsticks with a semi-matte cushion finish. Halfway between matte and satin, an anti-matter lipstick glides onto lips smoothly and provide comfortable continuous wear. And this is in the shade Midnight. I don't know if you guys can see that. Well, I like this packaging. That is nice. It's a square. It is sleek. Oh. It's a red. Oh, yes. I am keeping this. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand. Ooh. This is nice. I like the texture of it. And I like the feeling of it. Last item. It's a palette I actually have, and it is from Nomad Cosmetics. It is their Berlin Underground palette. And funny thing is that I knew this palette was going to be in the box for this month. I didn't know if it was going to be in mine, but I knew it was going to be in the box of this month because I did a review video on this palette, and I'll link it down below for you guys. So you guys can check it out. I did a review on this palette, and I've noticed lately that video has been getting more views and more comments, and I've been getting more subscribers because of it. And I'm just like, pretty cool. I actually did use this palette to do my eye look today. So, I don't know. I might give this to one of my nieces. I might put it in the giveaway box. I don't know. But, yeah, this is a really, really good palette. So I'm kind of glad that they gave that out this month. All right, I am going to clean all this up and then we are going to run down the prices for these products. Okay, the Paris Hilton cleansing gel is $39. That, and I have to see if her brand's cruelty free. I don't know if it is or not. Oh, it is. It says it right here on the back of the box. Ha 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 ha. Good thing I checked that. But yeah, $39. The Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground palette does retail for $37. That's a great price for this palette because this palette is amazing. Like I said, I used it today to make my eye look. The Ilamsqua lipstick is $27. Oh, why is this brand so expensive? I don't get it. The Ciate London translucent powder is $22, which that's pretty standard for their pricing. They are more of a, they're not a luxury, they're more of like a high-end brand. And the Ofra Madison Miller Squad palette is $35, which isn't too bad, considering you're getting 2 highlighters and a blush. So yeah, I am really liking these products I got this month from Ipsy. They have been really doing a really great job as far as my boxes the past couple months, and I am thoroughly impressed, especially with the Glam Bag Plus. It's just, oh, it's amazing. In my opinion, it has surpassed BoxyCharm by far. As I was stating earlier, they are going to raise the price of this bag, the regular bag, from $10 to $12. And I feel that that's still a really great price, because even though a lot of people are like, you just get a bunch of samples, they always try to at least include one full-size item and or a brush. So I still think you're getting a really great deal when it comes to the actual regular bag itself. The Glam Bag Plus is, I do believe it's $25. Hold on, I'm checking. Yes, it is $25 a month. I do believe that you can be on Glam Bag Plus and not be a regular Glam Plus member. I mean, a regular Glam Bag member, which is pretty cool. And like I said, they are launching their Glam Bag Ultimate in October. It is 12 beauty products in a deluxe bag for $50 a month, which that is amazing. I'm not sure if I'm going to sign up for that yet. If I sign up for that, I'm probably going to cancel my Glam Plus box and keep the regular bag. I haven't decided what I'm doing yet. So yeah, I will have links down in the description bar if you want to sign up for Ipsy. They are referral links. They are not affiliate links. I do not earn any money from them at all whatsoever. That is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. We all know she is super pretty because she looks like this. Don't forget that these shades are exclusive to this palette only. So if you want to get on the glitter goodness that is Hubster, Mama, Sassy Pants, and Bat Squad, you're going to have to pick this bad boy up. I do have a discount code that you can save 15% not only on my palette, but any item off Texas House of Glitters that is not on clearance. And it is right here at the bottom of the screen. I do not earn any money at all whatsoever with this discount code. It is just there for you guys to save some money. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you see on with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye. I am so glad I'm done. I don't know what it is lately, but this right here just doesn't look cute. God, Ipsy's been really doing a banging job. Oh, I love it. Time to get my edit on.